Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, June 17th, 2025. Let's take a look at the daily time frame chart of the Bitcoin quoted to USDC at Zondacrypto. As you can see, we are having a very interesting times these days. Just recently we went a little bit lower on the Bitcoin, down towards the level of 96,000. To test apparently this kind of a technical support, if it's support, so let me make it green. And obviously you can see that there was some sort of the nice technical resistance before, so let me just make some kind of a let's say a demand zone here between the levels of 98,000 and 99,285. So right now we have completed the 5-wave impulsive structure to the upside. Let me just remind you how this looks like. Basically, this situation might be something like this. There's the wave 1, there's a very short wave 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, wave 5 to the upside, possible wave 4, and then the last push to the upside was the wave 5. So possibly this situation here is now completed. What is going on here is the corrective cycle. So the corrective cycle from the top of the wave 5 is down wave in wave A, up in wave B, and the last wave to the downside is wave C. So the whole cycle, impulsive and corrective, is now completed, and the market might be ready to move higher. And you can see this situation here on the recent developments on the Bitcoin to USDC, that we have a very long down shadow here, meaning that this down movement was bought. So the dips were bought by the bulls, and that's why we ended up next day a little bit higher than the previous day, and today we got still inside bar, but the market is still trading. The daily time frame, daily candle has not been closed just yet. So right now the situation is quite obvious from the technical point of view. If we obviously just pay attention to the current correction, simple correction A, B, C might be completed, and then the market is ready to move higher. However, please notice the fact that this simple correction, ABC simple correction, might evolve into more complex and time-consuming correction, right? So let me just put again our 3 waves to the downside, right? The simple correction is completed, but it might evolve into more complex and time-consuming correction. So we don't know that yet. Nevertheless, it still looks very good right now from the technical point of view for bulls, and bulls are definitely ready to buy the dips and push the prices higher. The first confirmation that we might see new all-time high on the Bitcoin will be the breakout above the wave B high, which is 109,600 USDC, and then obviously breakout above the wave 5 high, which is 111,331. right? So this is the next ultimate target for now in short term for the bulls. Obviously, if we take a look at one of our favorite indicators, RSI, you can clearly see that we went down from the extremely overbought market conditions on a daily time frame chart to test the level of 50, the neutral level. Then we even broke below this level, but then we move higher, way higher, away from the level of 50. And during the last dip towards this level of $98,000, the market didn't actually even dip below the level of 50. So what is the conclusion here? Let me just find my arrow, because the conclusion here is quite simple. We have a hidden bullish divergence. The RSI indicator is doing the market is doing new low, but the indicator doesn't. So this is actually the confirmation that the bulls are buying the dips during the down swing, and we should see more upside on the Bitcoin in the coming days if this ABC simple corrective pattern won't evolve into more complex and time-consuming pattern. So let's see how this will sort out within the next few days. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.